Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of valuing Mission Produce's stock by analyzing their financial statements and dissecting their financial ratios so we can determine if it's a buy or a sell. Let's get started with the model. This is a small cap company, 708 million market cap. They're trading at $9.99. Sounds like they're on sale. It's a good marketing tactic. You don't want to say $10. Psychologically, $9.99 sounds cheaper. And they have 71 million shares outstanding. Mission Produce sources, farms, packages, markets, and distributes avocados, mangoes, and blueberries to food retailers, distributors, and food service customers. It also provides ripening, bagging, custom packing, logistical management, and quality assurance services. Let's take a look at their financials. The way you value a company is you estimate the free cash flows into the future and then you discount those numbers back to today's value. That's what we're doing in this video. And free cash flow is cash flow from operations minus capital expenditures. Free cash flow is negative 26 million in 21 and 22. That's just coincidence. If you bring it out a decimal, you can see they're not identical. This was negative 26.4 million. This was negative 26 million. 2023, a little better, negative 21 million. But look at that, they turned a profit in the trailing 12 months, positive 36 million. Pretty small margin, 3%. Pretty consistent with the industry though. Net income is the profit or loss on the income statement. It's revenue minus expenses. Positive in 21 and the trailing 12 months, negative in 2022 and 2023. Revenue is sales for the company, and that went up nicely from 21 to 22, down in 23, back up in the trailing 12 months. Kind of like a seesaw. We estimated 4 years of future free cash flows. We also estimated a terminal value of all cash flows past year 4, that's 1.1 billion. We discounted those numbers back to today using the weighted average cost of capital. We get a value of the company of $960 million. We divide that by 71 million shares. And we get a calculated stock price of $13.54. They're trading at $10, so they're trading at a 26% discount. It's a buy according to the model. What do you think? Do you think it's a buy or sell? Let me know in the comments. There are 14 companies in the same industry as AVO, and if they have a number in red, they're worse than the median. If they have a number in blue, they're better. They don't spend much on CapEx, only 33 million, about half the median. A good debt to equity ratio. For every dollar of equity, they have 50 cents of debt. They don't pay a dividend. They're generating positive free cash flow, a small positive. They rank 7th in market cap. And all their price multiples are worse than the median. They generate 1 billion of revenue. Look at Unfi, 30 billion. And we can't look at their 5-year annual revenue growth rate. They have not been public that long. Here's their latest income statement. Nice revenue growth, 220 million to 300 million. Cost of revenue, or the expenses directly tied to generating the revenue, 266 million. Revenue minus cost of revenue gives you your gross profit, 31%, a nice jump from last year. They spent 19 million of SG&A, less than last year. So look at that. They have positive operating income of 12 million. Last year was negative 1.2 million. Big improvement. They spent 3.4 million of interest on their debt. It looks like they have investments in other companies and they use equity method accounting. They had a gain of 500,000, a gain of 1 million from other. Net income is 7 million compared to a loss of nearly 5 million last year. So to summarize, I have them trading at a 26% discount. My prediction is $13.54. Their actual price is 10. I give them a 6 out of 10 ranking. Would I buy it? Also 6 out of 10. There's something appealing about this company. I'm not sure what it is, but there's something. Ratio is 4 out of 10. Because they're worse than the median in every category, but not that much worse. And financials, I gave them 6 out of 10 because they have positive free cash flow in the trailing 12 months. And with similar revenue in the past, they had negative free cash flow. So they're doing a better job at managing expenses. They don't pay a dividend, maybe they will in a year or two. So that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, comment below. If you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking the link in the description below. Ask me any question about the stock market or financials. I answer all comments.